Mic check 1, 2. Well, folks, it's about right here at 12 o'clock. We'll get underway. It's a beautiful day right here in northeast Oklahoma. Had lots of moisture, which has been good to see across the United States. I'm going to turn it over to Dale. He's going to say a few words. Before I do that, let's give him a big round of applause for the great lunch and the great hospitality we've had here today.
I want to thank everybody for coming today. Beautiful day out there. Got a nice set of cattle we're going to offer you. Before we get started, this is put on by the local Cattlemen's Association, and we get sponsors to help us pay for the delicious meal that we just had. And I need to thank all of them. I'd like to thank Eubanks Equipment, Welch State Bank, the Farmers Co-op in Baxter Springs, Kansas, RCB Bank, and the Craig County Farm Bureau. They've all sponsored us to help us pay for this meal. I also want to thank and send out just give a lot of appreciation to Jeff and Cindy Owen. They bend over backwards trying to help us put a good sale on here. They help clean everything up, and Jeff's done a lot of work getting ready for the sale. But here, I'm going to turn this over to Jeff. We're going to start out, we're going to sell the bulls, then we're going to sell fall pairs, and then we'll start selling the spring breds. I'll turn it over to Jeff here, and he's going to tell you a little bit about his bulls, and then we'll get started.
Thank you, Dale. Hey, I'm glad to see everybody here today, and my wife and I are sticking in about 10 head of bulls just to kind of see how we can do here in this sale. These bulls have been developed out on grass. I didn't push them on hard feed or anything else. I think these bulls are in pretty good shape just to go and turn out and not have to worry about them 2 weeks later melting down to you and being nothing. You will notice there's a couple of Beefmaster bulls that they'll sell at the end. That's a little project that I'm working with on the side. Just thought I'd throw them in here and see how things go. With that being said, we'll get Dustin up here and we'll get to rock and roll.
All right, thank you, Jeff. Like I said, we'll start right with these bulls. They're semen tested. They're ready to go to work today. I have his pleasure around ringside. Head Jeff Mayfield, the American Angus Association, Colton Price with the Oklahoma Cattlemen's Association, and Chisholm Kinder. If you turn their bids into those gentlemen, we'll get you right out of here. In case of a tie bid, all I can do is open up between those two bidders and those two bidders only. Like they said, we'll start right here at these bulls. Go ahead and swing in the gate and let them in. If you didn't get one of these sheets, these are registered Angus, except the last two, of course. A lot of them descend from the Spur Ranch genetics right there. Like I said, they're semen tested. They're ready to go to work. We're going to sell them. We're going to rock and roll today, get through this. People got places to go and things to do. It's a beautiful day. So bid right up on the cattle, and we'll get you expedited out of here as soon as we can. You'll make settlement right back there in the office where you got your buyer number. We are on live auctions today. Eric will be manning that, so we'll be taking bids over the wire there. What a great way to start here. The Growth Fund grandson, 156-year long, stretchy, powerful bull. Lot 1. Let's go. Give me 5,000. I've heard here to be 530. I've heard if I go 3, 2.5, 35. I'd hear 35. Heard 35. Heard 7.5, 4. That's now heard 4, 44, 44. Now 2.5, now 2.5, 45. I'd heard here to be 45. Heard 45. Heard 5, 40, 500. I'd heard here to be 45. Heard 45. Heard. There's not many more chances to get bulls this fall. I'd 2.5, 4,500. I'd heard here to be 45. Heard 40. Got 2.5 online. Got to be 4,500. I'd heard here to be 45, hair 45, if I let him walk outside, I'd heard here to be 45, hair 45, if I big performance bull, 2.5, 45, I'd heard here to be 45, hair 45, if I 4,500, $4,500, where sold the bull online, 4,250, goes to buyer 1504, thank you, 4250, 1504, go on, bull. All right, the next bull to be a paternal brother to him. Little more cavities right here, an 8, 137 at a year. All these bulls have been genomically enhanced as well. Lot 2, we'll go right in catalog order. All right, there is still long made bull. Give me 3,000. Here to be 3 where 3 now 2 and a half, 2 and a half, 2 and a half, 35. Here to be 35 where 35 now 7 and a half, now 7 and a half, now 4. That's never here to be 44 now 2 and a half, now 2 and a half, 45. Here to be 45 now 7 and a half, 5. That's never here to be 5 now 2 and a half. Here to be 10. Got 5 inches. I'm gonna be 5,250. Let him walk outside. Here to be 10 and a half, 5 50 250. Here to be 10 and a half, here to be 2 and a half, 5,250. Sold the bull 5,000. Way up high. 604. Thank you. Go to lot 3. Lot 3, here's another paternal brother to him. 130 for the year. Genomically enhanced, lot 3. All right, here we go. 3,000. 3 to bid, 3 to buy, 3 now 2 and a half, 35 now 7 and a half, 4. I've heard here to be for her. Now 2, now 45. 45 now 7 and a half. Thank you 5. That's now here to be 5. 5 now 2 and a half, 2 and a half, 2 and a half. 55. I've heard here to be 55. 55 now 7 and a half. 6,000. That's now here to be 6 wares. 7 to 6,000. That's now here to be 6 wares. 7 to 6,000. Now 2 and a half. That's 6 wares. What do you say, Maeve? Got to be 6,250. Let him walk outside. 6 here to be 2 and a half. Here to be 2 and a half. 6,250. Sold the bull 6,000. 604. Thank you. Go on, bull. All right. Here's lot 4. A modern birth, high growth bull, 122 a year. All right. Lot 4. All right, here we go. Set him in. Let's go. 3,000. A little better bull right here. Set him in. 3,000. Here to be 3 where 3 now 2 and a half, now 35 35 7 and a half 4 4 2 45. Here to be 45. Got 2 and a half online. Going to be 4,500. Here to be 45 where 44. Not many Angus bulls left. 4,500. 45 now 7 and a half. Let him rock outside. Going to be 7 and a half online. 40 right here to be 7 and 45 to 7 and a half. 4,750. Got 45 right here to be 7 and a half. 45 here to be 7 and a half. 45 to 7 and a half. Sold the bull 4,500. 623 is buyer. Thank you. All right, here's lot 5. He would turn a paternal brother to lots 1, 2, and 3. Another big spread bull, 124 a year. 1 on marbling. Lot number 5. All right, here we go. Give me 3,000. Here to be 3 where 3 now 2 to 35. Here to be 35 where 35 to 5 7 and a half 4. That's an here to 4 to 4,000. 7 and a half 4 7 and a half 4. That's an here to 4 now 2 and a half. Got 4 online. Gonna be 4,250. I've heard here to be 2 and a half. Let him rock outside. Got 4 right here online. Gonna be 42 and a half. I've heard here to be 2 and a half. Here to be 2 and a half. Sold the bull 4,000. Goes to buyer 1504. Thank you. All right, lot 6 right here. All right, just a couple of these Angus bulls left. Lot 6. All right, give me 3,000. Here to be 3 where 3 now 2 to 35. Here to be 35 where 35 to 5 $3,500 where. Here to be 35 where 35 to 5 now 7 and a half 4. That's an here to 4 to 4 now 2 and a half. Got 4 cold. Gonna be 4,250. I've heard here to be 10 and a half. To let him rock outside. Got 4 right there. 4,250. I've heard here to be 10 and a half. To be 2 and a half, 42 and a half, 42 and a half. Sold the bull 4,000. 622. Thank you. All right, go to lot 7. Lot 7, here we go. A Southern Pride descendant, a Cavanese bull, 9 CD1, 626 a year. I tell you what, these 2-year-olds are hard to find right here. Lot 7 has set a business go 3,000. Here to be 3 where 3 now 2 to now 35 now 7 and a half. Thank you 4. That's an here to 4,000. 7 and a half 4 7 and a half 4 7 and a half 4 now 2 and a half. I've heard here to be 10 and a half 2 now 5. Got 2 and a half on time. Going to be 4,500. Let that bull outside. 2 and a half 45. I'd heard here to be 45 here 45 to 5 4,500 $4,500 where sold the bull 4,250. Goes to buyer 1504. Buys again. Thank you. Last Angus bull right here is another paternal sit with those first bulls we sold. All right, goes back to a franchise-bred female on the top side, bottom side, lot 8. Here we go. Last Angus bull. Give me 3,000. Here to be 3, where? 3, now 2, now 35, 7.5, take it 4. 4,000. 7.5, 4, 7.5, 4, now 2.5. Got 4 inches, going to be 2.5. I've heard here to be 2.5. Let him walk outside. 4,250. I've heard here to be 2.5. 2.5, 42.5. Sold the bull 4,000. 617 at 4,000. All right, here comes. Oh, boy. All right, here come 2 beef masters. Be lot 9. Lot number 9. All right, here we go. Head to give me 3,000. Here to be 3, where? 3, set him in $2,500, where? 2,500, 7.5, 3. That's enough here to be 3, where? Going to be 3, now 2.5, now 2.5, 35. Here to be 35, where? 3,500, $3,500, where? Here to be 35, now 7.5. 30 right here to set him here. You're out online. Going to be 3,750. Now 4. That's enough here to be 4, 4,000. Let him walk outside. That's enough here to be 4, 7.5, 4. All in, all done. What do you say? Got to go. 4,000. So the on line, 3,750 goes to bar 1,509. 1,509. Thank you. Right, last breeding bull in America right here. Another powerful beef master bull, lot 10. All right, said let's go 3,000. Just skirted this time 3, 2.5. Here to be 2.5. Now 5. Here to be 35. Now 7.5. 35 here to be 7.5. Now 4. Got 7.5 online. Going to be 4,000. That's an here to be 4. Let him walk outside. That's an here to be 4. 7.5. 4. Sold the bull 3,750. 1,509 buys again. Thank you. All right, commercial female time. We're going to start right here. If you grabbed one of these sheets, we're going to start right on the first page. We'll roll right down through there. This first group, we're just going to bring a representative group in for each cut there. So we're going to bring the 100s. You do have the opportunity to roll all the way down to 103s. You got to take them in consecutive order. We'll show you the calves first. The bull calves have not been cut. They're still bulls. All the cows have had their pre-breeding vaccinations. They've had the Bovashield Gold 5 and VL5, and they've been wormed with Dextamex injectable. All the calves have been vaccinated with ViraShield 6 and UltraVax 7. These come from the Johnson Ranch. Dale always buys great bulls across the country. The first group, there'll be 6 in this group, and 5, 5, and 4. There's a total of 20 pairs in this group. We're just bringing in the 100s. If you are the winner, you have the opportunity to roll all the way down to 103s, but you do have to do it in consecutive order. All right? Anybody have any questions? And they have not been exposed back. They're guaranteed open. So all the females are open. All right, what a way to kick off. What a beautiful set of baldies right here. All right, here we go. Head and give me 3,000. 3 to bid, 3 to buy, 3, now 3, now 3,100, 2, 3. Here to be 3, 3, now 4, 35. Here to be 35, 3,600, 35, 6, 7, 7, 8. That's it, here to be 30, $3,800 worth, 38, 39. Here to be 39, 39, going to be 39, 38 right here, 39. Here to be 39, $3,900 where you're out online. Going to be 39. I tell you what, these pairs are awfully hard to find. They're all 2-year-olds. They're ranch raised. 38, 39. 30 right here to be 39. $3,900 where 38, 39. They may get higher as the day goes on. 38, 3,900. Here to be 39. $3,900 where 3,900 where. So they're right here 3,800. They're actually headed to Wisconsin. They're going to buy 592. At 3,800, we're just going to take the first group, 3,800 times 6 to 592. All right, we're going to say the 101s this time. They're just like peas in a pod right here. You can read there's going to be 3 heifers and 2 bulls right here in this group. All right, here we go. Head of in 3,000. 3 to bid, 3 to buy, 3, now 3,100, 2, now 33, now 4, 5. Here to be 35, 35, 35, 36. 30 right here to be 36, $3,600 where got 35 right here to be 6 online. 30 right here, so where $3,600 where. So them 3,500, how many they want? 5, 10, or 14? Take to 595 at 3,500 times 5. All right, here's a 102s. You can take 5 or 9. 5 or 9. Let's head them in. Let's go. 3,000. 3 to bid, 3 to buy. 3, 3, 3, 3 to 3. Now 3,100. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 to 2. Now 3. 32 to be 3. We're going to be 3,300. 32, 33. 2 here to be 33. 33, 3 to 3. 33. Now 4. Now 5. 30 right here to be 35. 36. 30 right here to be 36. 35 to the $3,600. Where 35, 36. 30 right here. 36. 35 to the $3,600. Where all in, all done. So on 3,500. So you want 5 or 9? 587, is that what you said? Is that the number, 587? All right, let those out, Dad. Outside. He's going to take all. He's going to take all 9 head. All right, that's all the baldies. Now we'll bring in Dell and the family's black ones. They'll have black calves, same shot, same story. All right, we'll bring in the 104s. There's 30 in here. You can roll right through. You do have to do it in consecutive order. So 104 all the way down to 109. You'll turn the page. All right, here's a representation of the calves. Really nice set of calves. The bulls have not been cut. You can read right there at top with they've had the same shots as the baldies had, and so the females. All right, there'll be 104s. I think there's 5 in each group of these. There's 5 in each group, so it'll be times 5 each time. It is as many as you take in consecutive order. All right, here's the saw black ones. Black has the side 104s. All right, so much time 5 or how many of you take? All right, said it been give me 3,000. 3 here to be 3 where? 3, 3, 3. Now 3,100. 2, 3. 2 here to be 33. 3, 3 to be 3,300. 3, 4. 4, 5. 35, 36. 39 here, 37. 35 to 36, 7. That's going to be 7. Now 38. That's not here to be 38. Now 39, 4. That's here to be 4. 34. Now 41, 41, 2. That's here to be 2. 32 to 2 to 2. Now 2.5. 2.5, 43. 2 here to be 43. Where 33 to the $4,300. Where 2.5, 43. 2 here to be 2. No, I took 2 right here. Going to be 2.5. 42s right here. Going to be 42.5. 2 here to be 2.5. 4,002. They may get higher, like I said. 4,250. All in, all done. So them 4,200. How many they want? Want 5, 10, up all the way up to 30. 598. All right, great pie right there. All right, here's a 105. All right, here we go. Give me 3,000. 3 here to be 3 where? 3, 3, 3. Now 3,100. 2, 2, 2. Now 3, 3, 3. 3, 4, 5. 4 here to be 35. 35, 35, 36, 7. 7. Now 38. That's not here to be. Got 7 inches. Going to be 3,800. That's not here. 30. Where's $3,800 where? 37. 3,800. That's not here to be 30. Where's $3,800 where? 37. 38. All in. All done. So 3,700. All right, he takes 105, 106, and 107 by our 612. Thank you, Mr. Hartley. All right, 3,700. All right, that leaves us the 108s and the 109s. There's 10 head left right here. 3,700, 612. All right, here we go. The 108. So much time, 5 or 10. Let's those had been 3,000. 3 to bid, 3 to buy. 3, 3, 3 to 3. Now 31, 2 to 2, 3. 2 here to be 33. Where 33? Now 4 to 4, 35. 4 here to be 35. Where 35 to 5, 3,500. Where 35, 36. 30 right here to be 36. Where 35 to $3,600. Where 35, 36. 30 right here to be 36. Where 35 to $3,600. Where 35, 36. So them 3,500, how many they want? 612, thank you. All right, here's the last of the Johnsons to be the 109s. 109s, here we go. 2 bulls and 3 heifers. All right, said to be 3,000. 3 to bid, 3 to buy. 3, 3, 3, 3. Now 3,100. 2, 2, 2. Now 3. 2 here to be 33. Where 33, 3, 3 to $3,300. The work's all done. 32, 3,300. 2 here to be 33. Now 4, 33 and a half, 4. 3 here to be 34, 34. Now 4 and a half, 5. 5 here to be 35. 35, 3,500. 34, 75. 75, now 35. Let them walk outside, guys. 34, 75, 35. How can be 35, 35, $3,500 where? So $3,475, 3475. 578, thank you. All right, now we'll go to the Cowles and Angus farm pairs. There's be 39 head of these. There's 35 black ones, and there's 4 black baldies. All the cows have had their pre-breeding vaccination, the Bovashield Gold, FP5, VO5, and wormed with Safeguard. All the calves have been vaccinated with Virus Shield 6 and Cavalry 9, and all of them are steer calves now. They've been knife cut. Ernie always brings a really nice set of females, lots of maternal back in this herd. We'll start at the 120s, and you can roll all the way down to the 126s. Be 35 of these black ones. All right, I tell you what, a really good set of females, beautiful udders, the right size or the right kind. We're selling the 120s, so much times 5, or how many of you take? All right, so give me 3,000. 3 to be 3 to buy, 3, 3, 3, now 3,100, 2, 2, 2, now 3, 2 to be 33, 33, 4, 5, 4 to be 35, 36, 30, 36, 35, 36, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7, now 8, 7, to be 38, 37, she's going to be 3,800, 7, to be 3,800, 3,800, $3,800 where? Sold them 3,700. 612, Mr. Hartley buys. All right, took 15, so 3,700. Took 120, 121, and 122. 3,700 times 15 to buy 6, 1, 2. All right, we're the 123s, 123s. All right, his head of let's go 3,000. 3 to be 3, where? 3, now 3,102. Now 3, 4, 5. 4 to be 35, 36. Going to be 36, Chisholm. 36, 35 and a half. Now 3,600. 35, 50, 6, now half. 36 and a half. 3,650. 30, what do you say, Chisholm? Got 36 Maeve. Got to be 3,650. That's right here to be 3,650. Haul in, haul done. So them 3,600 times. 581's a number. There's a total of 20. Just 5? All right, he took the 123s. You got the 123s. All right, we're on the 124s. There's 15 of these black ones. All right, head of minutes go 3,000. 3 to be 3 to buy. 3 now 3,100. 2 to 3. 2 to be 33. 33 to 3 to 3 to 33. Now 4. 3 to be 34. 34 to give me 33 and a half. One time 33. 33 and a half. 30 right here to be 3 and a half. 3,350. Now 4. 3,400. 3,400. Now 4 and a half. 34 and a half. 3,450. What do you say? Gotta go. 3,450. I sold him 3,400. How many does he want? 612 buys again. Thank you, Mr. Hartley. All right, he took 124 and 125 at 3,400 times 10 to buy 6, 1, 2. All right, here's 126. Alas, the black ones for Murney. All right, so to give you 3,000. 3 to bid, 3 to buy, 33 now, 3,100, 2, now 3, now 4, now 5. 30 to be 35, 35, 3,600. 30 here, 30. Say let them rock outside, guys. 35, 3,600. Let them walk. 30 right here to be 36, 35. Let them outside. 35, 30. Give me 3,550. 3,550. 3,550. Haul in, haul done. Now 3,600. Now 3,600. $3,600 where? Sold them 3,550. Snuck right in on you, Maeve. All right, here comes 4 baldies from the Cowles family. All right, same deal, same story on all the shots. Black baldy females with looks like 2 brockle faces and 2 saw blacks. Nice calves. Yes. Yep. All right, here we go. There's just 4 of these. So much times 4. There's just 4. You're bidding to buy into lot 1, 27. All right, here we go. That'd have been 3,000. Out here to bid, here to buy, take it, out 31, 102, 3. Out here to be 33, 4, 4, 4, 5. Out here to be 35, 35, 3,600, 35. We got him up high. Going to be 35 and a half. Now 3,600, 3,600, 5 and a half, 600 and a half, 3,650. Hold in, hold done. Got 36 way up high. Going to be 3,000. Let them roll outside, guys. 3,650. Hold in, hold done. What do you say? Got to go. Now 37. 6 and a half, 3,700. Told you it's going to get higher. 3,700. So them 3,650 times 4. 585. Thank you, sir. All right, and guess what? We got more of them, though. Here comes a set from Nancy, Cordial Rock and Sea Ranch. I tell you what, this is a really, really nice set of pairs. The first ones are the Baldies. There are 4 of these. She buys her bulls from Bargos in Missouri. Big old powerful calves, aren't they? All of them have been banded except for the one that'll be in next. But these 4 right here, these are 4 steer calves. They've had all their shots. You can let them roll. They've been vaccinated with Virus Shield 6, Cavalry 9, the worms with Safeguard. The cows have had their pre-breeding vaccinations. Virus Shield 6 plus a VO5 and wormed and safeguarded. There's 4 in this group. It'll be 4 Baldy pairs. It's a long ring. Takes a while to get across there. You can see why we didn't work well together. All right, here we go. 171s, 171s. Be so much times 4. All right, here we go. So much time 4. Set of minutes go 3,000. I three to bid, hey to buy, hey to hey now 31, 3,200. I two to be 2 now 3, now 4, 5, 35, 36. I turn here to be 36, 35 to 30. Say let them rock outside 35. 5. I'll take your 5.5. You're gonna be 6.5, Mayfie. Gonna be 6.5. Now 37. Now 37. Now 7.5. 37.5. 37.5. 38. 7.5. 38. 39. That's going to be 39. 39. 4. And then I heard it 4. Now 41. I've heard it 40. 100. Big powerful kids. 4,100. Now 2. I've heard to be 2. 42. 42. $100 where? So them thank you for the help. 4,100. 4,100. 585. All right. Here's some. 4,100. Yeah, times 4 to 585. All right, here's the 170s. There's 5 of these. Like I said, there is one bull calf, the M139, the K106 cow. The others have been banded. He's obviously a little younger, so that's why they didn't do him yet. But everything else is the same. And these are the last pairs. So if you need some pairs, we'll get right into those good spring-bred heifers. Last 5 pairs. These are the 170s. It's all blacks. All right, here we go. That'd have been 3,000. 3 to bid, 2 to buy, 2 to 3 now 3,100. 2 now 3, 4, 4, 5. I'm going to be 35, 3,600, 3,600. That's 7. Now 8, 38, 39, 4. I think 84, 34 to 4,000. I think I heard 34, 34 to 4,000. 39, 4, 39, 4. I think I heard 34, 34, 9.5. Now 4. And I'm here. We say Maeve going to be 4,000. They're going to be 4. Going to be 4. Let them rock outside. 39.5 right there. Going to be 4,000. Now I'm here. 4,000, 4,000, 4,000. So then 3,950. 599. Good job. All right, we'll get right into these spring pairs. Here's from the Johnson Stock Farms. You can see right there the bulls that these were exposed to. They do have certain requirements. These bulls have to be a certain CD. They, like I said, these guys and gals all buy from reputable programs across the country. I know they go several places. I buy a few for them, or they go a few places that I end up at. All right, here we go. We're going to start with these black Baldies right here. There's 5, the 200s, the 201s, and 202s. They were all pasture exposed from April 25th to July 8th. Most of these are going to calve in February and March. They're pretty heavy bred. All right, here we go. There's 15 in this group. We're bidding and buying on the 200s times 5, 10, or 15. All right, let's go. Set him in 3,000. Out 3 to bid, hit it, hit it, 3,000. Set him in 2,500 where 25, 6, 7. 7 now, 28, 29, 3. At here to be 3, 3,000. At 29, 3. The baldies are pretty hard to find. Going to be 3,000. At here to 3, now 30, got 3, now 1. At here to be 31, I got 3 at the May. Got to be 3,100. At here to be 31, 3,100. He may take them all, guys. 3,100, 3,100. Give me 3,050 one time. 3,050. I got 3 to bid. 3,050, $3,050 where? Now 31, now 31. Going to be 31 up high. 3,100. Now 1.5. 31 and a half. 3,150. Now 2. At here to be 32, 32. Now 2.5. 32 and a half. 3,250. Thank you for the help. Sold them up high. 3,200. How many does he want? Just this group, okay. 586, be 3,200 times 5. All right, we're going to say the 201s. Let's hit them in. Let's go. 3,000. 3 to bid, 3 to buy. 3,000. 3 here to be 3. Set them in. 2,500. 6. Now 7. 6 here to be 7. Now 28. Now 28. Now 28. 29. 3. 10 here to be 3. 3,000. 10 here to be 3. Now 31. Now 31. 2. Here to be 32. 32. Now 3. 3,200. Now 33. Here. $3,300. Where? Give me 2.5 to help you. 3,250. All in, all done. So them 3,200. How many does he want this time? Let him outside, guys. That's 3,200 times 10 to buy our 586. Took the 201s and 202s. Now we'll be on the blacks. There are 30 of these. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. They're all groups of 5s. Same deal, same story. Exposed to the same bulls. It's right there up high. Really nice set of heifers. Very docile set we have each and every year here, too. All right, here's the 204s. You're bidding buying on those. You roll all the way down. There's 30. Got to take them in groups of 5 right there in increments. All right, set them in. Let's go. 3,000. 3 right here to be 3. Where? 3. Set them in. 2,500. 25 6, 7. 7 now. 2,800 where? 728. 28 now high. Now 3. That's going to be 3. 3 now. 31. 2. That's going to be 3,200 where? 31. 32. That's here to be 2. Now 3. Now give me 2. I'll let you be 2.5, Colton. I got 32 right here. 3,250. That's here to be 2.5. Here to be 2.5. 32.5. So the 3,200. How many is he like? 606, thank you. He took the 204s. All right, the 205s. The sediment 2,500 where? 25, 2,600. Now 7, now 8, now 3. That's going to be 3, 3. Now 1. That's here to be 31 here. Got 3 going to be 3. Beat you that time. Going to be 3,100. That's here to be 31 here. 31. All in, all done. So the 3,000. How many does he want? 578. Takes all of them, all right? So it goes all the way down to lot. Let them outside, guys. Goes all the way down to 209. That'll be 2,500 or 25 head times 3,000. Is that 578? Is that what you said? 578. Okay. All right, now we're on the Layton Farms Black Baldy Heifers. There's 10 of these. You can see right here the bulls are bred to. They were all pasture exposed on April 27th. These are February, March calvers. Be a pretty tight window. Really nice set of females. Got some hip, got some body, got some look to them. The 232s times 5 or 10. All right, here we go. Set them in. Give me 3,000. Here to be 3. Where? 3,000. Here to bid. Here to buy. Here set them in. 2,500. 25, 6, 7, now 8. That's 28, 29, 3. Here to be 3. Where? 3, now 31. 3,050. Now 31. That could be 31. 3,100. Where? 3,031. Now 1.5, 2. That could be 2. Where? 31.5, 32, 2.5, 2.5, 3, 32.5, 33, here to be 33, where? 33, they're the guy, 3, now 3.5, 33.5, 3,003, I got 33 at Mayfield, so there's no mistake. 3,000, he may take them all, 3,350, all in, all done. Sold them 3,300, how many would you like? All right, take 3,300 times 10. to 586. Let them outside. Thank you. All right, then go on, girls. All right, the next group, we'll have the 230s and 231s. Same deal, same story. Going to have right here February, March. All right, to be 10 of these times 5 or 10. Bred the same bulls. Right there you can see the exposure dates. They're shy. Only in his older years. All right, here we go. Lot 230. So much times 5 or 10s. That'll give you 3,000. I threw it here to be 3. Where? 3 threes had been 2,500 those. Where? 2,500 5, 6, 7, 8. I sent it to 28. Where's it? 2,800 those. Where? 708. 27, 2,800. I sent it to. Where's it? 2,800. Now 28. Now 29, 3. That's gonna be 3. Now 31, 31, 2. That's gonna be 32, 3. Gonna be 3, maybe 32, 3,300, 32, so 33, 4. I threw it here to be 34. Where? 34. It'll give me 33 and a half. 3,350, 3,350, haul in, haul done. What'd he say? Sold them 3,300. How many do you like? 5 or 10? Takes 5. 601. All right, we got 5 more. Let's go. Sediment 25. Selling the lot 231s. 231s. 2,500. All right, 25 right here. 25 to the high 6, 7, now 8. That's another 2,800 dollars. Where? 27, 28, 29. Take it 3. That's going to be 3. Where? 3. Now 31, 31, 2. That's another here to be 2. 32. Now 3. 32, 33. Let them walk outside. That's here to be 30. To be 3,250. 3,250. Haul in, haul done. Sold them 3,200 times 5. 580. Thank you. All right, now we're on John Long's. These always are some hard to find. I tell you what, John does buy some of the great red Angus and Heifer bulls across the country. We're going to start with these red baldy heifers. Actually, some of these are probably sired by your bulls, Dave. They'd be sired by some of the Burns Farms bulls in Pikeville, Tennessee. And I tell you what, this is a powerful set of baldy heifers. These are pretty hard to find. And you can see right there the bulls are bred to. They were exposed from April 17th to June 19th. These are late January to March calvers. Going to start just a nickel earlier. There's 20 heads right here in this group. All right, you're bidding and buying on the 240s and go all the way to 243. All right, so they give me 3,000. I three to bid, here to buy, 3,000. I three it here to be 3. Where's it been 2,500, 25, 26, 7, 8. I sent it here today. Where's it? 2,800 dollars. Where? 27, 28. I sent it here. Where's it? 2,800 of the kind. Now 8.5, 9. I take it to be 2,900. 900, 29, 9.5, 9.5, 3. And I'm here to be 3, here, 3, now 30, now 31. I'm here to be 31, 31, 31 and a half, 30 and a half, thank you, 2. I'm here to be 2, 32, 31, 32. I'm here to be 2, here, 3,200, no, 31's right there, to be 32. I'm here to be 2, here, 32, 31, 32, 31, 32. So 3,100, how many they want? 580. Takes 10, 3,100. Takes 240, 241 to buy our 580. Thank you. All right, there's 10 more right here. 242s and 243s. All right, 5 or 10s. That'll give me 3,000. I threw it here to be 3. Where? 3, 3, 3 to the 3. That'll be 2,500 dollars. Where? 25, now 26, now 7, now 8. I sent it here to 2,800 dollars. Where? 27, 28. I sent it here. Where's it? 2,800. These are pretty hard to find. 2,800. I sent it here. Where's it? 28, 28 and a half, 20 and a half, now 29. I sent it to be 29, 29, 9 and a half. Take it 3. Then I'm here to be 3. Where? 3, 3, 3 to the 3,000, 9 and a half, 3, 29 and a half, 3. And I'm here to be 29.75, 29.75, 29.75. Haul in. Give me 9 and a half, Chisholm. 75. Now 3. Now 3. Now 3. Unless you be 85, you can do it real quick. 85. 29.85. 29.85. So 29.75. All right, let them outside. 29.75 times 10 to buy 580. All right, now the next group will be from John as well. These are solid red ones. There is 27 of these are in groups of 5, and there's the last group has 7. Same Kevin date, same time. I should be bidding and buying on the 244s. Come on, girls. All right, there's 5. Like I said, you can roll all the way down to pin number 248. There's 5, 5, 5, 5, and 7. All right, you talk about some big-bellied, maternal-looking ones right here at lot 244. All right, sediments go 3,000. I threw it here to be 3 where? 3,000. Sediment $2,500 where? I can be 25, 25, 5, 6, 7. I 6 right here to be 7. Now 28. I send it here to be $2,800 where? 27, 28. I send it here 8, 9. I can be 29. 9, 20, 900, 9 and a half, 3, 9 here to be 3, 3,000. I 3 here to be 3, now 3, 31. I got 3 right here to be 31 on your line. You're click behind 31. I 3 here to be 31 here, 3 to 31. 3,000, now 31. I 3 here to be 31 here, 3 to the 30. He's trying to sneak behind you, wasn't he? 3, 31. I 3 here to be 31 here, 3 to the 31, 31. Sold him 3,000. 577 took 5. All right, 245s. All right, here goes sediment $2,500 where? 25, 25, 26, 7, 8. That's not here. You're going to be 28. You're out chasing going to be $2,800 where? 7, 8, 7, 8, and 7, $2,800 where? That's not here to 2,800. Here's money makers 27, 28. That's not here to 2,800. Give me 7.5 before we go. 2,750. 2.5. Now 28. Now 2,800. Now 8.5. 2,850. 2,850, 2850. What do you say? Sold them 2,800. How many does he like? 578. Takes 5 at 2,800. All right, here we go. The 246s. All right, his had been $2,500 where? I'm going to be 25, 25, 6, now 7, now 8. That's not here to $2,800 where? 27, 28. That's not here to 20. Give me 7.5. 2,750. Haul in, haul done. What do you say? Gotta go. Now 28. Now 2,800. $2,800 where? Haul in, haul done. So 2,750. How many would they like? 600. 5. Yep. All right. Thank you, Mr. Mount. 2,750 times 17. 600. Let them outside. All right. Now we'll get on to Nancy's good bred heifers. They're bred to the Kevinese Virgo Bull. These are Angus bred heifers. Going to calve February and April. Exposed from May 14th to the 1st of August. First week of August. You take 5 or 10, 5 or 10. All right, here we go. Head of let's go 3,000. I 3 here to be 3 where? 3, 3,000. I 3 to bid, 3 to buy. Set of $2,500. 25, 2,600. I 25 here, so where? 25, 2,600. 7. I 6 here to be set where? $2,700 where? 27, now 7.5. I send it here to be set where? 2,750. Got 27 straight away. Going to be 2,750. 27's bid, 27.5. Here's a buy. I 29 here to be set where? 2,750. 2,750. Haul in, haul done. Sold them 2,700 times. You want 5 or 10? Just takes 5. All right, we'll say the 271s. Here we go. Set them in. Let's go 3,000. I 3 it here to be 3 where? 3, set them in. Let's go $2,500 where? I get 25 where? 2,500 $2,500 where? 25 me 2,500. I get 25 where? 25 now 6. Got 25 online. Gonna be $2,600 where? I 29 here. So where? 25 $2,600 where? 25, 26. All in, all done. Here's a buy. 25, 26. 25, 26. Now 7. Now 27. 6.5, 6.5, take a 7, now 27. I got 6 in the front, gonna be 27. 26.7, 26.7, all in, all done. What do you say? Gotta go. So 2,600 times 5. Let them outside. 602. All right, we got the Callison Farms. There are 30 of these blacks, and there'll be 6 black baldies. We're going to start with the black baldies. There's 6 of these. Read right there, the bulls are bred to expose May 1st to July 8th. These are going to be February to mid-Aprils. I imagine most of them be February and Marches. These will be the black baldies. There's 6 of the bees. It'll be so much times 6. That's all the black baldies there are. All right, there's 6 of these, so much times 6. Our prize had been going to be 3,000. I three it here to be 3 where 3,000. I three it here to be 3 where 3 had been 2,500 those where 25 6 7. I 6 here to be 7 now 8 now 9. I can be 20 here to 2,900 now 9.5 3 and now here to be 3 where 3 now 3,050 now 31. I three it here to be 31 where 31.5 3,150. 31's right here going to be 3,150. The only black baldies earnings there are 3,150. Haul in, haul done. Sold them 3,100 times 6. 587. Let them out. All right, now we have, there'll be 30 of these black heifers coming to you. Exposed to the same bulls as the baldies were in the same time. It'll be February and March calvers. There could be a few Aprils, but I imagine most of them are going to calve February and March. We're selling the 221s, a lot 221s. You can roll all the way down to 226s. All right, really nice set of heifers. All right, sediments go 3,000. I three it here to be 3 where 3 sediment 20. How'd you get it? 25, 2,600. I turn it here now 7. That's 7, 8. That's turn it here to 28, 29. I turn it here to 2,900 those where 28, 29. I turn it here to be 20 where 2,900 those where 28, 29. Awfully good set of emails. Give me 2,900, 28, 29. Now 3. I turn it here to be 3 where 3, 29, 3, 29, 3. Haul in, haul done. What do you say? Gonna go 29.3, 29.3. So the right here on line 2,900. Just going to take 5 of them by 1502. 1502. Our price, we're down to the 222s. Our price, so much times 5, 10, 15, 20, or 25. Our price, sediments go 3,000. At 3 to bid, 3 to buy, 3, sediment 2,000. Now 21, 2, 2, 2. Now 3, 4, 5. I've heard here to be 25, 25, now 26, 7. I 6 right here to be 2,700 those here, 26, 7. I 6 right here to be 7, 27. Now 8. I 7 here, 2,800, 2,800, 2,800. All in, all done. What do you say? 2,800, 27, 28. Take it 9. Got 28 on line. Going to be 2,900. I 29, 29, 29, 29. Sold them 2,800. 1502 buys again. So you just want 5 again? He does. All right, we got 20 left right here. All right, we're selling the 223s. All right, so then give me 3,000. 3 to bid, 3 to buy, 3, set them in 2,500, 25, 2,600. I turn out here, so 25, 600, now 7. I 6 right here to be 2,700, 26, 27. I 6 right here to be 2,700. Got 26 which is going to be 2,700. I 6 right here to be 7, now 27 and a half, now 27 and a half. I 7 and a half, now 27 and a half. I 7 and a half, now 27 and a half. 27 and a half. 27's right there. She's flying, hitting that wasp is flying around. 27. 2,750. 2,750. Haul in, haul done. So 2,700. How many does he want? Takes 5. 602. All right, here's the 224s. All right, here's sediment 2,500 where 2,600 now 7 now 8. That's another 2,800 down 29 29 3. That's going to be 3 now 31. That's here to be 31. Chisholm 3's right here 31. That's here to be 31 31. Sold them 3,000. How many would they like? 587. 5, 10, or 15. Takes 5. All right, we're on the 225. 3,000 to buy 587. We're on the 225s. Those on 224s. All right, here's there's 10 of these left. Lot 225. Let's go 2,500. Okay, 25 right here to be 25. Now 7. Now 8. That's right here to be 2,800. Where 7 to 8. 2,800. 27. Straight edge is going to be 2,800. That's right here to be 2,800. 2,800. 2,800. 2,800, 27, $2,800 where? Sold them 2,700 times 5? 617. All right, the last of Ernie's, lot 226. Our prize had to give me 3,000. I three it here to be 3. Where 3 said to be 2,500 dollars. Where 2,500. Let him walk outside. 26.7. Now 8. I said that here to 2,800 dollars. Where let him rock outside. I said that here to 28, 27, 2,800 dollars. Where 27, 28. Awfully good heifers, guys. Give me 7.5. Here we go. 2,750. Haul in, haul done. What do you say? Gotta go. So 2,700, 2,700 goes to our 1,502. Thank you. All right, now the last group of heifers. Here's the Grigsby Ranch heifers. There are 33 Angus and 8 Baldies. We're going to sell the Angus first. The bulls are bred to or listed right there. Big time Kevinese bulls. This will be the 250s that come in first. These actually are safe AI. These first 10, the 250 and 251, are safe AI, and they will give on Valentine's Day, or awfully close to it. All right, you're bidding and buying on the 250s right here. So much times 5 all the way down. You go all the way. There's 33 total of these all black ones. All right, 250s had to give me 3,000. I three it here to be 3. Where 3 had to be 2,500 dollars. Where 2,500. 6 7. I 6 right here to be 7. I said 2,700 dollars. Where 6 7. I 6 right here to be 7. I said 2,700. Give me 6.5. Here we go. I turn right here to be 6.5. 2,650. Safe AI. 2,650. Haul in, haul done. 2,650. What do you say? Now 7. Now 2,700. Now 2,700 dollars. Where I said right here to be 7. I got 6.5. Right here to be 2,700. 2,700 dollars. Where sold them 2,650. Buyer 1,520. How many does he want? Take 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, or 33. Got to take them in consecutive order. The first 10 are safe AI, but you bought 5, so 2,650 times at least 5. Wayne, just type in there how many you want. Heidi takes 5. That's about 1,520 at 2,650. Our prize will say the 251s are safe AI as well. Our prize had to go 3,000. I three it here to be 3. Where 3 said to be 2,500 dollars. Where I 29 here to be 25. 2,600. Now 7. I 6 right here to be 7. I said 2,700 dollars. Where 6 7. Now 8. I said here to be 2,800. Got 7 right here to be 2,800. I said here to be 2,750. Before we go 2,750. 2,750. Sold them 2,700. Wayne, you're the lucky winner again. Buyer 1,520. Just 5? Okay. You sure? All right, we'll give you 5 unless you call that number back real quick and tell him different. All right, we got the 252s. All right, right here. There'll be safe pasture exposure to the bulls listed above. Going to keep February through April. All right, here we go. That'll have been 2,500 dollars. Where 2,500 dollars. Where 25 now 6 7. I 6 right here to be 7. 2,700 dollars. Where 26 7. I 6 right here to be 7. 2,700. 20 give me 6.5. Here we go. 2,650. Haul in, haul done. 2,650. Got Chisholm in. 2,650. Here's a buy. 26.5. 2,650. Sold them 2,600. 583. Takes 5. Okay. All right, we got the 253s. Had been the 2,500 dollars. Where I took it to be 25, 6 7. I 6 right here to be 7. 2,700 dollars. Where 26 all safe pasture exposure. 2,700. 26 7. I 6 right here to be 7. Where 2,700 dollars. Where gonna be 6.5. Here we go. I got 26 of coal. Going to be 2,650. Haul in, haul done. I 6 right here to be 6.5. Here 2,650. So he barely got in there. Now 27. Now 2,700 dollars. Where haul in, haul done. You sure? So them 2,650. Wayne, you're the winner again. 1,520. You want 5, 10, 15, or 18? Got to take at least 5. That was lot 253. You can take 254, 255, and 256. 5, 10, 15, or 18. Oh, he takes all of them now. Oh, wait. Huh? Took all of them? Well, you said yes, then he said no. All right, let him out. So that's 2650 all the way to 255. 1520. Huh? Yeah, to 256, yeah. 2650 all the way down to 256. All right, these will be the last ones of the day. Here's some black baldies. Looks like the 257. There's two of them that are Safe AI to the Easy Express to the Blazon Sun. They're going to have all right here for the AIs we do right here mid-February. All right, there's, you can take 4 or 8. The last 8 we have, big old powerful heifers right here. All right, 257. So much time for. Let's go 3,000. Out here to be 3, where? 3, 3, 3, 3, 7, 2,500 those where? 20 right here to be 25, 5, 6, 7. 6 here to be 7, 27 now, 8, now 8, now 8, 28. I send it here to be 7.5, 7.5, now 2,800, 2,808. Now half, got to be 28.5, Rain. Got 28 in the crowd, 2,800. You're out, Wayne. 2,850. Got 28 with Colton, so there's no mistake. He may take them all. 2,800. What do you say, Wayne? Now 9, now 2,900 those where? 9, now 9.5, Wayne. Now 3, then over here to be 3, where? To be 3, 3, 3, 3, 29.5, 3, 29.5. You're right at 9.5, now 3, and over here to be Wayne. You got to be 3,000, 2,950. So you can be 3,000. Now over here to be 3, where? 3, 3, 3, 3. Now 1, 3,050, 3,050. All in, all done. 3,050. Sold him 3,000. How many does he want? 630. 4 or 8. All right, took the first 4. All right, that's 3,000 to buy 630. All right, we got the last 4 in America right here. Lot 258. All right, his sediments go 3,000. 3 to bid, 3 to buy, 3, 3, 3 to 3, sediment 2,500 dollars, 25, 26, 7. That's exactly here to be 7 now, 7 2,750, 2,700. What do you say? Now 8, 7.5, 8. That's here to be 8, now half, 28.5, 2,008.5, now 29, Wayne, 29.5, 2,950, 2,953. Now here to be 3, where the Wayne, 3, now 1. 3 here to be 31, 3 to be 3,050, 3,050, 3,050, all in, all done. What do you say? Gonna go $3,050 where? Sold them 3,000 times 4. 630 buys again. Well, folks, we had a great crowd. To give them a great sale. Let's give them a big round of applause for a great sale. We'll see you back here next year. If you need anything, don't be afraid to hesitate to call any of them. Here's a word from Dale.
I just want to thank everybody for coming. It's a beautiful day out, and I hope everybody enjoyed the sale. Thank you, and we'll hope to see you next year. Yeah, you should be. I'll be down there in just a minute.
All right, for those of you interested in averages, we had 10 bulls today, gross 43,500, average 4,350. There were 98 fall pairs. gross 359,175 to average 3,665. There were 199 spring bred heifers, gross 581,550 to average $2,922. Had a total gross on the females today, left, 940,725, and a total gross for the day of 984,225. Yep. Thank you. We'll see you here next year.